down, guys?
It's gonna smell worse.
Oh my god! I got my voice back.
What's going on, boot gang? You got your girl lips in the cut, you got your girl boots in the cut, and we're gonna do the 24-hour cuff challenge. We're about to go to the store right now to buy them because I bought some like really cute ones that are like pink and like for comfort.
For comfort?
Yeah, you know, like I don't know if I want to use cuffs one day, so I got them. They're so cute. Have you
Oh
seen
wow, look at you. Kinky boots over here. Hashtag kinky boots. We got time going, guys.
Do you think we'll get annoyed?
Of each other?
You're gonna have to be like
I mean, we already basically are always like this all the time, you know, like when we're together. So
let's just see.
We'll see, guys.
Yeah. Why is my best friend so stinking cute?
Go best friend, that's my best friend. Go best friend, that's my best friend. Go best friend.
I would say.
What you gonna try?
So we're gonna go to a sex store to get these cuffs. Have you been to a sex store?
Never.
Neither have I. And so I was like, wait, I bet they have them. There's this place called Talk of the Valley. I wonder. Right here. It's called Talk of the Valley.
Oh my god, sex toys, lingerie.
And romantic DVDs. Dancing with you tonight. Ooh, what is all this? Oh, do we look so young? Wow, that's amazing. Thank you guys so much.
I don't know.
You guys, they asked for our ID. We're good, right? We're good? Okay, cool.
Thank you so much.
This is my first time inside of a sex store.
Oh my god, same.
Do you guys have handcuffs?
Yeah, they're gonna be over there.
Okay, cool. My glasses. This is really... We still look like high schoolers.
Yeah.
Hallelujah. I mean, you do, but sometimes I feel like I look older.
No.
I've gotten 25. I'm just like,
What? No, I've been told that it depends. Like it varies. Sometimes they'll be like, oh, you look like a baby, and then sometimes they'll like say that I look older, but it's weird. I think it depends on how people are like think of what they think is old or young.
cool. Okay. Okay. So we got the cuffs.
We just got out of a sex store, guys. A sex store.
Yeah. I've never been.
I
It's
know.
my first
That was
time.
that was my
We
first
popped
time
our sex
too.
story cherry together.
Oh,
Loops.
food.
It is currently 3:52
p.m. I think I'll hold on to the keys.
No, we'll leave them in the car.
Okay. That's fine too.
No one's getting the keys today because you know what? If you want to detach yourself from me, you can't, okay?
Okay, so we're stuck together.
Yes.
Got it.
Okay. Let us leave it. Ow.
It hurts?
It's just not comfy. You know, these aren't padded. These are like real metal.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, ready?
O-F, O-F, O-F.
F O F O F.
F, O-F, O-F. Boots, you did it the wrong way. Oh, never mind.
Oh my god, Liz.
I'm sorry. I thought our hands were gonna be stuck like this. I was like, this is so wrong. Oh, these hurt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, well, we're cuffed.
We're cuffed.
Cuffed. 24 hours starts now, so we can't take these off until 4 a.m. tomorrow.
Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Cool. I can do this.
I'll give it 4 hours till we're annoyed.
So we're annoyed?
Yeah.
4?
Because you know how I don't like to like hold hands
Yeah.
or like feel like this.
Okay, fine. I give it.
How long do you give it?
I give it 2 hours. You say 4? I give it 2. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this. Like, what happens when I gotta pee? Or what happens when we have to change?
I don't know. I don't know. I guess we'll find out very, very soon.
Like, our clothes are gonna have to go through you too?
Okay, so my cousin Kiki is gonna help us film today, but he's not picking up the phone, so I think that this is gonna be our first challenge of being handcuffed. We gotta get out of the car loops.
Oh my god. Kiki!
I know,
Why are you doing this to me?
Come on.
Oh no, this way. Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, fine, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. rock, paper, scissors. Okay? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh!
I always beat you at rock, paper, scissors.
Okay!
Always! Mwah! Love you, let's go.
Alright.
Passenger side.
Alright, let's go. Go! Are you gonna leave your phone in here? Ow.
Oh, sorry. Tug too hard?
It's okay.
Okay, want me to get the camera or you got it?
You want...
You want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Go. Yep.
We're so extra!
Oh man. Oh man. Okay, we did it. We did it. That wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be worse. Guys, like I said, 2 hours until we're sick of each other. She said 4, which is surprising. I would have expected her to say like an hour and a half.
I'm honestly a little bit offended that you said 2, but you know what? Okay. Now since I did it first, you have to go in through my side.
I guess that's only fair. And friendship is all about being fair and equal.
Yeah.
Okay, me first.
Ladies first.
You're a lady too.
Okay, so we're kind of hungry, but we're ballers on a budget, you know? So we're gonna go to McDonald's. I'm so excited! Look at this heavenly goodness. Wow. Ballers on a budget. I'm so excited. This is really nostalgic. I used to play here for hours. We didn't think about how many kids there were gonna be here. Look at you looking all cute. Okay. Oh yeah, we have to take our shoes off. Oh, this is really small.
This is really, really small. Damn, I'm big.
We were oversized.
Sorry, we're like times you.
I think we're holding up traffic.
We are. We had to take a break, guys. We can't do it.
Come on, let's sit on this with me. Imagine it really rips.
My butt.
It don't fit.
I don't fit.
This really hurts when we're like going up these tubes.
It's hard.
I know.
Okay, let's keep this still on the road.
Okay, slide.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, break. We're here. Just like there's a lot of traffic.
No, we're going down the slide.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 We're all going down the slide. Oh, this is your favorite part, Luke.
Oh no! I'm not doing it.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
You're doing it.
I'm not.
Tell her she's doing it.
I'm not doing this.
Do it.
I can't.
If the kids could, you could.
Yeah,
I'm
Loops.
scared.
No.
I'm scared.
Imagine the whole thing just like breaks. And I'm still handcuffed to you.
Come on, I want to go up the slide. Come on. Come on, I want to go up the slide.
Come on, Loops. Now.
Hard, that is hard.
This is shaking.
Loops, are you serious right now? Okay, back it up, Liz. Back it up. Oh my god. I can't believe you. Okay. They said see you later. They said you a big.
Okay, let's do this.
Come on, Loops.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Hold on, 10 deep breaths. Okay. Ow. Why is it moving?
Kiki, you asshole.
Kiki, stop. intense. This was harder than I thought.
These cuffs really hurt. Look at my wrist. It's all marked. Oh, make it. She said she better. She better.
Like
You guys, we made it up. And we have been bullied this entire time.
Let's hurry up and get down this
I know, I'm tired of sweating in here, dude. I don't remember it being this hot.
Me neither. Let's go.
So I have to go.
I'm about to die.
Just don't let that hit anything.
Okay. Wait, you're taking me with you.
Okay.
I'm lightheaded. I am so lightheaded.
I couldn't breathe up there, guys. Look at that.
I think it'd be so fun to do the tray. And then be done. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna do the tray challenge.
Come here. Seth. Come here. They're like, no.
Okay, ready? Don't be a bit. Don't be a bit. Come on. Look at myself. Thanks for keeping me safe. I hate you. Literally, my fat ass got stuck on the side of the slide on the.
And I was just curled in like a little baby like.
It's so hot. I want to go swimming.
Uh-huh.
But it's like 90 degrees. I don't want to go swimming. Okay, we can talk about it.
I'm not going swimming.
It's like really, really fast.
We're not.
Go swimming with me.
Boots, we're not
Come
swimming.
on, do it for my boot gang. Do it for the boot gang.
I'm not swimming, I'm sorry.
Well, then just like be next to me while I swim.
Boots, I'm not gonna be next to you while you
Yes,
swim.
please.
That's not even personal. We're freaking handcuffed.
No, you just stand outside of the water. Just stand.
I can't.
You do it. Do it for them. Do it for me.
Do you not see this?
I see it.
Yeah, if I stand next to you in the water, I can fall in.
I won't push you in. I swear.
Botas. Yo no quiero nada.
You don't have to. I just want to put like my hand in.
Fine, I'll put my feet in. Feet in.
Okay.
Just my feet.
I just want to cool off. I just want to cool off.
Okay.
Okay, you guys can't see this part because I'm gonna get naked.
How was McDonald's?
How was McDonald's?
The food was great. The jungle gym wasn't.
We went inside the jungle gym. And we were getting bullied, dude.
By a 6-year-old, Roque. A 6-year-old.
For what?
Boots, I really don't want to do this. I do not think this is a good idea. Guys, she thinks that I'm just not going to fall in if I just put my feet in. Boots.
Look, I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna hold my hand up on the right side. There's a whole thing right there. You're gonna be fine.
Boots, I can't get my hair wet. We have somewhere to be in an hour.
Look, I promise your hair's not gonna get wet, okay?
I told you not to push me in. I went in places I don't want to be wet. But your hair isn't wet.
Oh.
She's a liar. Let's establish that right now. I am currently soaked and I have to have my arms like this because my nipples are showing and you guys can't see that.
I'm all pro nipple loops. Get with the movement.
I'm not happy with you, young lady. Oh my god. I am dripping in places I shouldn't be dripping in.
We're gonna shower right now because we do have to be somewhere in an hour.
Less than an hour now. So we're just gonna take these clothes off, get in the shower together. Yeah, we're gonna shower
We got
together.
to shower together. Oh. Oh, we do it all the time.
No, it's been a while.
It has, but we've done it before.
We've done it before, yeah, when we were
Do
younger.
you pee in the shower?
I do. I think
I do too. I do too.
I think I do. That's really gross, so we might have to edit that out. Do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
I'm not. You can only see our shoulders.
Okay. Ready? This is gonna go through you.
Oh, it's gonna go through me.
Wait. This got stuck. Right here. There. It's gonna go through your arm. Now through your head. Go.
I need your help.
Sorry. Shorts?
I have to take off the top that she was wearing.
Uh-huh. It went from this way to that way. And it's right there, guys. Okay.
Okay. And we are naked. I'm surprised we haven't had to poop yet.
Don't even go there. She doesn't have to poop before me. I just know it because her metabolism is way faster than mine.
True.
Do this.
Oh, it's pretty long.
Perfect. Wait, I gotta...
Here, I'm gonna stay back.
Okay.
Don't pee over me. We just did everything together, and you know what? I think I gotta go number 2 right now.
No.
I do. I'm sorry.
Please don't do
When you gotta go, you gotta go. You're gonna smell it all.
I don't like this one.
Oh my god, it's so moisturized. My butt's slipping.
Oh my god. Well, you better hold on tight, Missy. Oh my god, I hear the pee. Change your faces. Yes. I gotta keep myself distracted here.
You can't go.
You said you...
I know, I'm trying to.
I am not standing here next to you, but you said you had to go.
I know, I do, but like, since my butt keeps slipping, like...
Just gonna duck down, guys.
It's gonna smell worse.
Oh my god!
We have had such a long, what time is it now? 6:30, we started at 4. It's only been 2.5 hours, but we had to find tops that we could put on because I have to put it on through the sleeves, so it has to be big enough. I put on a strapless top so we could go out. It was so hard to find something that would go through both of our bodies.
I wanted to do my buns again and I couldn't, and I'm so mad.
I tried to help her with her buns too, but like they just didn't. We're just kind of like over this.
We're done, guys.
This handcuff thing.
We're done.
Yeah, we have to go.
Yeah, but we're really late, so we gotta go.
Really late. But if you guys like this challenge, don't forget to hit that like button. Hit it. Hit it for me one time.
Hit it, hit it.
Hit it for me 3 times. Hit it for me 3 times. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you guys in the next one. Toodles.
Bye, guys.